Hi everybody! Welcome back. I am at the lake. Today is May 14th. Today is my 50th birthday. And I am going to enjoy some peace and quiet here in the camper all by myself. The kids are coming this weekend, so I'm not going to be alone the whole time. Camper was set up already from last weekend, and I just had to come out and walk in and dump the tanks and good to go. So now what? Now I guess I go bring in all my bags and stuff, but I don't know how to turn this dang thing around. Well, anyways, I'll bring it back. I'm gonna go finish bringing in my bags and stuff. We'll see what the adventure holds for this weekend. I did not bring my kayaks because the weather's supposed to be crappy again, and I didn't want to fight trying to get them here. So here soon, we'll get the kayaks out and do some little videos while we're out kayaking. I can't wait for that. But I'll take this cool weather while we have it, because once the garden gets going, there's going to be no rest. So I'm going to take it while I've got it. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you back here shortly. Well, first chore of the day is getting done. Didn't have time to get the water heater drained and the plug put back in. So I got the plug out. Sometimes that can be difficult because my sons have stronger hands than I do, but I got it. So I'm waiting for it to drain. Then I'm gonna rinse her out with this. Ta-doo-ta-doo. And get the plug, the anoid, whatever you call these things, back in there. And I can have a hot shower tonight. Guys, I just had an owl fly right by me. There it is. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I didn't know if I was gonna find it. It's just watching us. Oh, I scared it off. Bye, Mr. Owl. Got some rain. It's a lot nicer than it was last weekend. It's coming down nice, but there is some thunder and lightning. Gonna stay in here and be safe. Well, Chester and I are just taking a morning stroll. Well, maybe more than that. Thanks, Chester. Anyways, still a beautiful day. It's cloudy, but it's pretty warm. Sorry, I've been walking up a hill for God knows how long. And I'm kind of winded, but it's kind of muggy today. Actually quite muggy. But it's beautiful. Even with the clouds. Just feels pretty great. And God's gave us a beautiful place. Chester is literally growling at something that's right down here. He has never growled at some random spot in his life. Look, He does not like it, whatever it is. Right down here, he... Give myself plenty of room to run. I don't see a thing. It's hiding in a rock. What is it, Nugget? Come here. Come here. Is it still there? He's like... Don't like whatever it is. I guess we're not going to find out because Asher is hell ain't going down there.